What are we up to?
Going for a fucking drive.
Oh, bad man.
Ah, dodgy. Got to test it out somewhere or another.
Here we are in the track car. I mean, road legal car. Just going for a quick closed drive road.
Hey?
Closed road drive is the way to say it.
Roads are closed.
Roads are semi-closed. Most people are at the pub, so we'll go for a quick little roll. What up guys, welcome back to another video, TR Racing. As you can see in the background, we've got the drift car. And we're just currently doing our last lot of jobs before Carnival because we've got a short list to finish off and we're running out of time. We've got probably 3 weeks until the event, so yeah, we're just taking along with our list and see what Trent's up to in here. I'm just refitting all the dash, connecting everything back up because we had a lot of the wiring loom down the bottom all stripped out because we're having some issues with our power windows and popping fuses. So I've been having a go. I've remedied the fuse popping issue. Just haven't remedied why the motor won't actually go up and down with the window, but who cares, we'll work that out, eh? That won't stop us going to Carnival. So just putting everything back together at the moment in the dash, and today we're going to have a look at bleeding up the front right brake because Ruben had a boo-boo. You would have remembered if you've been following us for a while, Ruben actually had the brakes on upside down for a bit there. It was a bit of a laugh, so Fuck off.
yeah. So I remedied that issue, got it up the right way, then Ruben stripped the bolt or something fucking went wrong, so yeah, we've got that fixed now. It's all welded, re-tapped and flattened out smooth, so we'll bleed the brakes. I had some wiring for a water temp gauge and I stripped out of the RX-7, but I've grabbed the wrong wiring loom, so the RX-7 probably isn't going to start now. Don't know what the fuck I've done there. I'll work that out at another point. But yeah, moving on from the water temp, then we need to have a look at what's our next big job. I'm trying to think now. We're just picking off heaps of small fruit now. The car as is right now, the main thing is to get it a wheel alignment, and that'll be next Friday, so we'll take that there. Have you booked it? Oh shit, I haven't booked anything. Hopefully we'll get that booked in and we'll get there next Friday, and then we'll just have a week to fix all the power windows and whatever else we might have a go at, but not going to stop us from going to Carnival. Cheer brothers for hanging in there. It's been an awesome time getting this together, and you know, a year ago, like I said, if you're still following us from there, we were prepped, almost ready to go to Carnival then, and had serious engine damage, so didn't make it that time around, but here we are, we're making it now with the track car. Cheer boys.
Give it some pumps, mate.
I'm the pumper.
I'm the bleeder.
Yeah, down.
Yeah. Not much.
That's good, man.
Is it? Should we do the other side as well?
Yeah, let's chuck the other side up, just check for any air in there.
Alright, turn the wheel over and I'll take some tools around the other side. Right.
What's that?
I don't know, what was it?
Is that you?
Nah.
I'm gonna pull off the jack, is it?
Oh, was it the jack? Nah, it's all good.
Sure?
Yep.
Alright, wait there.
Yep. Hold on. Oh, no. Need the 10mm. Where's the 10mm gone?
Oh, fuck. It's always the 10mm.
No! Turn the wheel back this way.
Oh, that's what it was.
It's still on there, look! Haha! The 10mm!
It's the 10mm they got fucking kicked. Make sure it's tight.
Right. Found the 10mm. Alright, bring it around. Oh yeah, stop. Yeah, that'll do.
Is it moving on the jack?
Yeah, that is. Alright, pump her up.
Down.
Oh. Yeah. Is it? Alright. Oh. Still down?
Yeah.
Yeah, looks pretty good. Alright, Trent reckons the brakes feel good, so we'll leave it at that. Shall I drop the jack off? Oh, doing it straight in the wheels back.
Is that straight?
Yeah, pretty good. Sweet. Oh. All in there.
Passenger seat.
What's our next job?
Next big job. Well, if all this shit's not legal, because it's too sharp, we need to work something out to...
So we've got to make up some covers for these doors because they're all sharp objects. It's going to use the factory ones there and just cut the bottoms off so they fit in with the cage.
What if we just use Duracell and cover the holes?
Oh, yeah, we...
Oh, fuck. Ruben's shitting himself.
Was it you?
Oh,
Fuck.
fuck's sake.
I don't know, I think they have to be covered, eh? Oh well, we'll make something work. Rightio, so got to mount the fire extinguisher in, so brought this nuggety one from Super Cheap Auto and just trying to think where's best to put it. Usually most people put them here, but this one's quite chody. So I might chuck it back over here somewhere where you can still reach it, but it's kind of out of the way. So you've just got to mount the bracket and then we'll put that in, and there's another job done. Trent's just hooking up a battery over there to see if he can get direct power to the electric window to see if it moves up and down. We're still trying to find our issue with that, man. It's so frustrating because these windows used to all work mint and now they don't. It's got a sunroof too, and that does, well, that used to work too, but hopefully it will again. Holy hell.
Doing a few dodgy deals here.
I might actually disconnect the ECU just in case it backfeeds power somewhere.
Hey, have some faith.
Up the Haltech. So Trent's just hooked some power up to this electric window, and if you look at that, the motor works. Goes up and down mint. Kind of. So now we need to figure out why it won't work off the switches.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. Bastard thing.
Don't want to have to carry a battery around in the car on the track, eh?
Could leave these hanging off it, ready to go.
Yeah.
Have a battery in the side here when we
Yeah.
want the window down. Fucking here we go, boys. Woo.
Just a little battery to carry around.
Oh fuck! I've got one of those portable power packs. We could just store it in there
hard.
and then just go. Doo, doo.
And if the passenger wants one, just chuck it over to him.
Yeah.
Hook it up to this, cuz.
Yeah. Fuck. Hoary is. Yep.
Okay,
I'll do that.
we'll figure out what's going on.
Oh, it's just plugged in, man.
Fuck, what's this leak down here?
I was just saying, I'm the only one doing all the work today. Every time I turn around, Ruben's chatting or on his phone. Fucking hell.
I'm a busy man, I've got fucking contacts talking to, you know? We've got Callum here. He's come to get some parts
Obviously.
to try and get his car running.
Yeah, get that Lorel going, brother. Don't fuck around with no... Shouldn't say no S14, because there's probably some subscribers on here that love S14s. I don't love them, but I don't dislike them either.
I think they're pretty cool.
Yeah, they're alright for what they are.
So what do we
Much prefer the 13 or the 15 over the 14, but I think that's everyone's view, maybe.
Yeah, some people don't like R32s.
That's dead right. Some people hate R32s, and they're welcome to.
Guess what? He's fucking two of them.
Yeah, that's right. R34 then, eh? There's two R32s.
Yeah. 2 plus 2 makes 4.
Yep. So yeah.
When I went to school.
We're gonna drain this water out. We had a Flash Harry fucking
Who?
Flash Harry coolant temperature gauge in the car, but just gonna run a fucking real cheap one that works for now, and some reason the wiring's not working to it. I don't know, just like the wiring doesn't work to most things. So swap that out and
What are we doing with the electric windows at track day?
probably gonna have to show you guys. It's too hard to explain, but it involves a spare battery and extra wiring just to the windows up and down.
And hope it doesn't rain on the track.
Yeah, nah. Just bring a special visor if it rains on the track. And the passenger, hey, you'll have a window as well that goes up and down. Just have to call into the pits.
Just reach over and grab the battery.
Yeah. So now it's dual battery. It's almost an EV.
Oh, fuck. Yep. Oh, we're going to put some coolant in, I think, too.
Yeah, we're just draining it right now. So we'll swap this temperature sensor here out. We've got another one that's going to go here, and we'll just plug our wiring into it. It's here, and yeah.
We only need one wire, just the sensor.
There's just one wire.
Yeah.
Fuck, even
Because the
better.
other wire's just for power.
The other
for
one's
lights.
7 wires.
Oh. Well, is that going to run the electric windows too?
It's more wires than the ECU had.
Oh, far out.
Oh, fuck. Don't worry about that one. It's gone. Put it
Alright,
back in the RX-7.
job's on.
Yeah.
So, we're gonna change the sensor over for our water temp, but the diameter of this sensor is bigger than this sensor. So now we're putting this sensor back on, but we also realised the wire was what?
It's disconnected.
Oh, far out.
Fuck, I don't like this hoary cut, eh? Who does this, Ruben? Who cut these?
I don't know who fitted it.
Oh, fuck you, I think.
Oh, far out. I don't know about that one. Don't remember.
Alright.
Still draining water.
Still draining. Yep, still draining some water. As long as we get this back on, we have some form of coolant temperature while we're on the track. What is this putty here?
Oh. Jesus. Must have leaked in the past from the RX-7.
Oh yeah, this was on the RX-7. Oh, I blame the old owner, eh?
Oh.
That's what everyone does.
Didn't he want the RX-7 back?
Yeah, he did actually. Too bad.
Yeah. Where's the RX-7 now?
RX-7's just tucked up in the shed at home.
A lot of people ask where the RX-7 is.
I know they do. Summer's coming.
Yeah.
It's a summer car. I got all this shit to fucking fix first.
Oh, hurry up.
Yeah, I know. Hurry up. So we'll get this back on. Should be able to twist these on here still. Get it up too tight. Get this installed. Actually.
Need a clamp on
Yeah,
it.
need a clamp on that one.
One job.
Put that one on there, that one on. Oh, that's too big for that one. That one there.
What's that noise?
I think it's my stomach. Ruben normally feeds me when I come over, but today he hasn't. He's just been too busy texting.
Should have cooked some sausages.
I've got that clamp on backwards.
Oh.
I do love a good saucy,
Alright.
but nah.
See what's in the freezer. What do we got? Ooh. Mince. Oh. Mince. Oh, yes. Sausages. Might as well have a snack. Thought they would have been on by now.
Oh, the clamp was upside down. Hopefully the fans are not full vegans and you just showed them the most horrific scene of their life.
Right, it's enough of water hoses. Yeah, so we're just bleeding the coolant at the moment. Doesn't that sound good? Those Tommy cams. Woo! Looks like the gauge has just started to move.
Oh yeah, sweet.
I'm hoping. It'll be a big win.
Yep. Might just sit in there and
Yeah.
Can we get this open?
Try it.
With the switch?
Yeah. I don't know, it looks like it's gone just over 40, but it's hard to see. Try it. It's weird. Need to suss out.
We want this going.
Yeah. It's hot with that open.
Nice.
Brake booster's working. Are we supposed to have a non-return valve?
Tricker. There's a bit of play in the throttle I'd like to eliminate, eh? Like we can do that.
Yeah. crackles.
Yeah.
Rightio, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and also if you're going to Carnival and you see us there, come and say hi, come and check out the car. We'll be more than happy to talk about it if you follow us and want to know more, and check out your cars too. We'll have the cameras there. 3 weeks out, so we're buzzing. We're just trying to get this bloody thing finished. But yeah, cheers for watching, and push that subscribe, like, and chuck a comment if you're actually going to Carnival, and we'll see you there.
And also, while I got yous, we'll probably carry a couple of extra passenger bands on us, and if you do have a passenger band already, you're welcome to come in for a ride in the crew sessions, and we'll try and get some of our top blokes in there. So thanks for subscribing, and if you're not already, make sure you do hit that subscribe button. Thanks very much.